Hi, Ron from Clarity. Today we're going to walk through very quickly how the Clarity Payment Hub can auto-fill in Level 2, Level 3 information so that you can qualify for B2B interchange rates. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in to pay invoices. Now, one of the things our solution does is allow you to pay multiple invoices. In this case, I'm just going to pay $100 on the first invoice. I'm going to go down to my digital wallet where I've got a credit card and ACH account. I'm going to pick credit card because I need to fill those rates in to send up to the processor. The data that is sent up is actually predicated by the processor, whether it's TSYS or CyberSource, whatever. The processor has a different list and labels for the Level 2, Level 3. We'll cover that in a bit. So I select, I submit. At the end of this, we actually have a mode while we're doing development on our platform that can actually show us all of the Level 2, Level 3. In this case, it was a Level 3 transaction, so you can see it was over 20 fields. And as I scroll down and back up, you can see all the different fields of the data that were auto-pre-filled. Now, where did all this data come from? Part of the data came from the actual invoice details from the ERP integration. My demo happens to be connected to a Dynamics GP instance, but for your merchants, it can be to any number of different ERPs. So whatever real data we can pull directly from the invoice, we will. The other data when we set up the merchant, over here I'm going to log into our admin interface. I'm going to go to our site settings and I've typed in L123 to filter on all the level 1, 2, 3 settings. I've enabled editing so you can see there's a number of different fields. And this is where we've gone in when we set up this merchant account and we've pre-filled in the commodity code, the ship from zip, the tax rate, what percentage of that tax rate is federal tax versus state tax. This allows us to configure these settings per processor so that we can set up. So if you have a gateway that happens to do Level 2, Level 3, great. If you don't, which there are about 200 gateways that don't, the Clarity Payment Hub can auto-fill in and be configured per merchant for Level 2, Level 3. Thanks for watching.